Welcome to MSCCG. It's been a while, so let's open a ZX box. I will not read all the names cards. I will make a separate video for all the cards I pulled. This is set B18, code Dingir, Sudden Genesis or something like that. So I have one case with initial and 5 loose packs that I bought some time ago. So we get this thing, I think it comes with initial printing and the player card. The rule book, this is decks to recommend, and some packs. Okay, I checked there is still some value in some super rares, so let's hope we get those expensive ones. Okay, so first pack. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah, come on. Ah yes, this was I still have uncommons. A rare. Yeah, so yeah. Sorry for missing this video. I am kinda short on boxes and I don't think I will buy anytime soon except at the end of the month. Okay. Yeah, I didn't sort them. I wanna be a professional like Rudy. Come on, okay, a rare and reverse uncommon, pretty. So yeah, well, April will be very heavy on sets. There is a Wish Across set, Caster Chronicles, the X set, yeah, so, ooh. And we get a super rare. Okay, uncommons, so rare. And we'll just check super rare number 78. God Piercing Circular Seizure. I don't think this one is expensive, but I will check anyways. See number 78. Okay. Yeah, he's not expensive. Oh well. Still a super rare. Is a super rare. I'm hoping to get a ZX or CVR, but I won't be picking. I'll just mix commons and commons, hassle to sort them. And reverse rare, that pretty lady. I like her. It's Flamewalker Snake Lamia, a really pretty art. So yes. And I also want to get into Force of Will, but I can't afford all those boxes, because I want to finish with Across and other sets. Commons. And a rare bug. Ooh, pretty one. Hope to get rares for all Cat Priest. None. A rare. And reverse uncommon. Some knives, weapons, stuff. I plan to get into Force of Will after I finish buying all the furniture for my new apartment. I will have a lot of cash, much more cash to buy. Ooh, nice ass. Okay, well, pretty art as usual. And Rare Gunner. And the super rare. What? It's a super cheap one, I just checked. So what's the name? Longin Recollection Memoria. Oh yeah. Okay, come on. I think I seen this. It was reprinted with one of the sets. I think it was that set with idols, because I've seen this art already. Neko and Rare Angel. Maybe I should also check the odds. What's the other odds? Not the odds. Okay, we have 30 commons, 30 uncommons, 30 rares, and 10 super rares, plus 5 ZXs and 2 Z rare. So, standard old set. A creepy clown. A skeleton. And looks like another super rare. I think this one can work. Oh, yeah, this one is expensive. 98. Number 98. Cherry Blossom Wing Green Dragon Cigar. It's $13. Good pull. I don't remember for how much I bought this box. It was long ago. Around maybe 40 or 60. I usually try not to overpay for the boxes of the MSRP. And just rare. Ooh, something shiny in the back. Okay. No, and wow, commons is so shiny. Wow, really nice. But rare goes here, and we're almost done with the box. Yeah, just a short, quick video. I don't always want to make. I think this was also reprinted. Oh well. Ooh, jackpot! A super rare reverse. Hey, we just got her. Okay, so this one is expensive. There are two versions. I will investigate for the second video. The cheapest one is $25, and other one is $100. I need to check what is the difference, but it's really nice pool, so pretty. So yeah, we gotta. I think that's our chance of getting CRV or ZX is gone, but at least we got ZX. This one pretty ZX. Okay. A rare and another super rare. Wow, we are on a roll. How much is super rares already? 5. Okay, this one, let me check the price. Super cheap. Okay. 8 souls of black sword, Whirlpool Sting. Well, can't complain that if I get cheap cards. It's all about collecting. I don't plan to sell them. I usually just give them away. Ooh, risk card. And rare. So we're almost done with the box. Rare and a super rare Heart Angel. And a super rare reverse foil. Okay, we are almost done with the box. And just rare. Well, you don't always pull. Okay, let me preserve one pack for the future. And rare. Pretty. But pretty, but only rare. Okay, let's get those packs close. And nothing special. 2 less packs. I don't think we'll get anything good from them. Because we already used we got 5 super rares and just a normal rare. And what do you know? We got another super rare. I think this is also a reprint. I think it was reprinted as one of premium boxes, and a super rare guy. Hey, he's not cheap too. He's $12, so we're pretty lucky with super rares and bonus 5 packs. They're loose packs, so I don't know what we can get them. Once I get the X from them. Okay, and nothing. I like the sound. Oh, cute cat. Cute cat. And look. It's just a reverse rare, but I couldn't. It was so pretty. I thought it was super rare. Okay, and there's 3 packs. Yeah, no loose packs because once I forgot to open 2 packs. Good thing there wasn't anything good in them. Okay, and a rare and a reverse rare. Pretty. So And nothing good, already shitty good. And the last pack. Will it be good or will we get a super rare or not? Okay. I can tell nothing. Oh, we already had one. So those packs didn't have anything good. Okay, let's just review quickly our reverse. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not bad. And we got rares, super rares. We got one duplicate, but it's reverse full, and I think it's really. I need to check what's the difference. Why one is so more expensive than another? Okay. Okay, I will make another video with all the named cards, and you can see every card I pulled. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.